set up your Themeforest Elementor Template Kit in WordPress. First, activate the theme. We are choosing Hello Elementor. Then go to Plugins, click Add New, search for Template Kit Import by Envato, install it and activate it. Now go to Tools, then Template Kit. Upload your Template Kit ZIP file. After upload, install all required plugins. Import the global kit styles first. Next, create your pages, such as Home, About, and Services. Open each page with Elementor, insert the matching template, and publish it.
Now we need to create the header and footer. For the header and footer, you can use Elements Kit, Jeg Kit, or Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor. For now, we are using Jeg Kit. Create a new header first. Set the condition to Entire Site so the header appears on every page. Now import the header template and publish it. Create a main menu and assign it to the header navigation. Set your home page. Go to Appearance, then Customize, open Homepage Settings, choose a static page, select Home as the front page, and publish the changes. Let's fix the permalink structure now. Go to Settings, then Permalinks, choose Post Name, and save the changes. We could have done this earlier, but it is also fine to do it now. Next, create the footer in the same way as the header. Set the condition to Entire Site, import the footer template, and publish it.
that's it! Your Elementor Template Kit is ready to customize. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need help, please feel free to contact us.